Message of the day. You're looking to lease a car, but you know you have a 350 credit score. Or you got a 450 credit score. Or you got a 550 credit score. You know you just have bad credit and you know they're not going to lease you a brand new car. Well, let me just tell you this. In this case, one pay lease. Listen to me closely. Listen to the words that's coming out of my mouth. If you got bad credit and you want to lease a brand new car, and you know the leasing company's going to tell you no. Well, let me just tell you, money talks. One pay lease. One pay lease. One pay, money talks, money talks, money talks. When I say that, money talks. You can do a one-time lease. What does that mean? Instead of making monthly payments on your lease, you're going to make your payments all up front. So if you're doing a lease and they turn you down, you do that one pay lease. You make all your payments on that lease up front. And you're probably going to say, Regina, why would I want to do that? Well, why do you want to do that if you got bad credit? And leasing company's going to tell you no, they don't trust you. They don't trust you because your credit's not there. And they tell you no, they're not going to get you into a brand new car, which is a lease. Well, you guess what? When you lease a brand new car and it's a one pay, they're going to run your credit, but they're not going to turn you down. Unless you owe the leasing company money. You know, in some cases, if you owe them money, then more than likely they might work something out with you so that you can pay that money that you owe them, and then they put you into a lease. So one pay lease is for people that have bad credit, that can't get a car, and then they just approve you for a car, for a lease, right? And one pay lease is for people that just don't want to make monthly payments. And they just make all their payments at once and then make it monthly. Let me just say this, one pay lease is not for just people with bad credit either. I think I said it early on in the video, but listen to the whole video to understand. But if you're watching this video, you know what to do. Go on over to my YouTube channel, Regina, the Queen of Car Loans and Credit. Regina, the Queen of Car Loans and Credit. And I want you to subscribe because you'll be notified every time the Queen drops a video. All right?